సో ఎలా ఉంటది?
అంటే unfortunately I'm also doing office training for AWS also. So
ఓకే, ఓకే, ఓకే.
parallelly I had to prepare for certification also because my manager is chasing. He was asking the preparation. So
ఎవ్ ఎవ్ ఎస్, ఎస్, ఎస్.
because that topic is different, our topic is different. This is a real time experience, right? So
ఎస్.
that's the reason I'm not able to pop up.
సో జస్ట్ దే ఆర్ హౌ ఇట్ AWS is works. So they will tell something like right, Ratna. So
Hmm.
this is the real time, guys. This is the real time. Please practice. So otherwise I can't do anything. Okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
what I asked, the task is, what is the task, guys?
Create two Linux servers.
Yeah. So
Uh,
create two EC2 instances, two EC2
because
instances, and
no password,
yeah, password is
passwordless login.
passwordless authentication.
Authentic-
So what is that, guys? So passwordless authentication.
Authentication.
Passwordless authentication. Yeah, you already knows, right, how to launch the two instances. You launched the two instances. So how we are connecting, something like, this is the EC2 instance. So this is the EC2 instance. This EC2 instance, you are connected from your LAPI with the help of third party software. What is that, guys? Putty. So Putty also giving the SH access. What is that, guys? Shell access. So
Secret shell access.
yeah, through the SSH through the SSH protocol, right, guys? Through the SSH
Yes.
protocol. So the port number is 22. If the both if the both the instances, both the servers are enable the inbound rule, inbound rule inbound rule, something like, we need to enable 22 SSH. We need to enable the SSH. So right, for example, so this is a shell prompt, right? How you are connecting the cell? So you are connecting the cell through the through
Putty.
the IP
Putty.
address, right?
Putty. Sorry,
Yeah,
I
through
put it.
putty IP addresses. So SSH, so SSH hyphen P port number 22. So what is the user, guys? Root is the user. What is the IP address? For example, public IP address. So 192.168. This is the private, but I'm telling you. So 101. So right, once you give the public IP addresses, it will ask the password, right? I don't want to ask the password. I need to set the passwordless authentication. Passwordless authentication. The simple one, right? This is the a simple one, guys. Say yes or no. This is the a simple one. But you guys are not done your task. I will tell you, no worries. But it will take time, guys. So because of, already, right? You already knows how you are connecting with your keys, public key and private key. So this server having the public private key. So what it disabled? Disabled disabled the password authentication. So password this one. So what it enabled? What it enabled? So pub and private key access. So pub and private key access. So that's the reason we are unable to. So we are unable to access through the username password. But in the data center, how we are accessing, guys? So in the data center server, for example, your Oracle virtual machine, you are connecting to the root and
Hmm.
password, right? User and password, for example. So here, user and password. So here password authentication is enabled. password authentication is enabled and the private key public key access disabled. Guys, now you understood? Ratna, everyone understood? So
Yes.
Yes, yes.
here the DC, so there is a file slash etc sshd ssh hyphen conf in this file. So the authentication, your password authentication is enabled, public key authentication is disabled in the DC or a on-premise environment. But in the cloud environment, so what it disable the password authentication, it enable the public and private key authentication or access authentication. So that is the reason. So how you are connecting this server, guys? You are connecting this EC2 instance through private key dot ppk file. So ppk file. Ratna shared one file, right? Yeah, that is the .ppk file, right? You created the ppk file and you are connecting through this ppk file. So why this password authentication is disabled on this server? So what is the username? Root also disabled. Guys, root also disabled. So direct access from root also disabled. So you connected to the EC2 user only. What is the default user, guys? EC2 user only. If it is a Ubuntu server, Ubuntu user only. Guys, understood? So if it is Amazon Linux, Red Hat Linux, EC2 hyphen user. So if it is a Ubuntu mission, the default user is Ubuntu. Guys, now you understood?
Yes, yes.
Yes, right?
So
Yeah.
currently now we are using EC2 user only because Linux server.
Linux servers, Amazon Linux, Red Hat, the flavor of the family of the Red Hat, right? So what are those?
Hmm.
That Amazon Linux, Amazon Linux 2023, Amazon Linux, Amazon Linux 2, or Red Hat CentOS. What is that, guys? Red Hat OS, RS CentOS. CentOS. So what is the username,
Seven.
guys? Username is CentOS 7 or whatever it may be. So CentOS 7 or
EC2
whatever it may be. EC2
EC2
user.
user.
So if it is a Ubuntu Linux, what is the user,
Ubuntu
guys?
user. Ubuntu user.
Yes, Ubuntu Linux. So Ubuntu OS. Guys, now you understood?
I have a doubt, can I ask?
You. Yes, yes, yes.
Can we connect through .ppm file through putty? It
Throughput.
is also it is also SSH connection, no?
Yeah. Dot pem, right? Dot pem dot ppk. So
Yes.
through dot public key, we can connect through SSH. So in the putty, we can use only ppk file. It supports only ppk file. Good question. So the pem key, right? The pem key. So what is that, guys? So we have a dot pem and a dot ppk files. So dot pem and dot ppk files. So dot ppk supports putty. Okay, putty, super putty, mobile extreme auto. So if we want to directly connect from Linux mission, you install, this is the one Linux mission. For example, this is the web one. So this is a web two or something like this is a, so or else this is a Ansible server. This is the Ansible server and this is the target mission or means newly built server. Target mission or newly built server. I want to connect from this Linux server to this Linux servers, right? So if you provide the inventory, in the inventory, so inventory, you provided this information, this server information in the inventory file, and this is the playbook. You run the playbook on the Ansible server, it automatically connect to the server. So how it will connect? We need a password, right? So that's the reason we need to set the passwordless authentication from Ansible server to target server. So this time we can use the dot pem key, dot PEM key. SSH hyphen I. PEM is nothing but a Ratna dot PEM or pub key. Then EC2 user at the rate IP address of the server. IP address of the server. Guys,
IP
understood?
address means a target one or current one?
Target one only. Target mission
Target
IP
mission.
address only. Because of which IP address, which server wants to connect?
EC2 instance target
EC2
machine.
instance.
Target
Target
mission only.
mission.
Target mission only, right? Yeah. So you can use the PAM private key supports for the third party softwares. Third party softwares. Very good question. So and if you want to connect, if you want to connect from Linux to Linux, direct Linux server to Linux server, so you can use dot pem key, data pem key. Guys, understood? Now you got it?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Very good,
Yes, I got.
guys. You got it right? Yes. Please
So the PEM
practice.
key can be useful for cross-platform also, right? Like example, from Ansible server is
Hmm.
Linux, but target machine is Ubuntu.
Yeah. So that is Linux, right? So
Ubuntu
Linux
is
play.
Linux. Okay.
Ubuntu also
Uh,
Linux, right? The cross-platform
so
is
is
nothing
Windows?
but Windows. It's not support. It's not support. It's a class platform, right? So how you
Uh,
can connect a server? I already told you, right? Initially, the
yes, yes.
cross-platform we cannot connect. So if you want to connect
Correct.
directly Windows, we can connect, right? Why do you need third-party softwares, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
It's a cross-platform. Chiranjeevi and Balkrishna both are actors, but
Yes.
they will not.
They work together.
Yes, because of the fans will not accept. They will
Mm.
accept, but the fans will not accept. Right?
Mm.
Very good. Guys, please do your homework, guys. So without practice, it's a highly impossible to learn. Again, today also I'm using Ratna's one. Ratna.
Okay. Permission granted.
Actually, I don't have a time to dig into it. So morning classes, evening classes, family
I think
concerns.
this is not my email. Panindra Kumar Bolanti at gmail.com.
You changed, ah?
Login is different. No, no, no. Your login is different. You see.
So Fanendra Kumara. Okay. He created, EKS, 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 cluster. He did not created the EKS cluster. What he did, guys?
Instances. Any instances?
Instances, EC2.
Oh, that is root account, right?
This is the root account. It's not a IAM account. This is my personal lappy.
Okay. Okay.
It's not a company one. So company they used the right, Acta. Ratna.
No, I don't know.
You don't know Narakta?
Uh-huh.
So how you are log into your all the
Active
something like
Directory.
Active Directory? Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay,
Not third
okay.
party. Microsoft.
Okay, okay, understood. Active Directory. So here we have a another company. Most of the companies are using Acta nowadays. I don't know. So something like
Mm-hmm.
so in the Acta you can log into the Acta. So they are included all the apps whatever you are using for your company. For example, Microsoft,
I think for single sign-on, right?
AWS, single sign-on, SSO. This is SSO. Okta
Oh,
is like a SSO, like a AD also.
okay.
Okay. Sign into the console. You guys see it 721. Ratna. If you do your homework, guys, it will be very easy to move forward. Otherwise, it will take 6 months, not 3 months, 2 months.
పిల్లలు చేయండి అబ్బా, నాకంటే కుదరట్లేదు.
Mm.
Yes, we are doing.
What you are doing? Institute కొత్తన్నారు, there is no use. I want to launch instance 2, guys. From here also you can add the number of instances. Ansible server. Right. This is the Amazon Linux. So I'm using the Amazon Linux too, guys. Okay. Selecting Amazon Linux 2 and the, so shall I select 88 16 24? Okay, no worries. 3 servers we can use. Okay. So what is the select key pair? This is the, so this is a ppk file, guys. You can use the pair to secure connect to your instance. Ensure that you have to access the selected key pair before you launch the instances. So the same way we are creating a new we are created the key pair in the Linux. Okay, so they are automated.
Can we use the same keeper for any instance?
No, 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 no. So for authentication,
Yes, yes.
we need a public key,
Agreed.
right? We need a public key. This is a private key,
Yes. Okay.
right? Yeah, 8 GB volume, 8 3s are 24, no worries. 30 GB is free. Okay, so I'm creating the launching the instance. I will change the name of the instances once it is created. So target server 1, target server 2. Okay, 3 instances created. Okay, this is like a app server 1, app server 1. This is the newly built server, right? This is app server 2. Guys, understood? So I created a 2 servers. I created a 3 servers. So one is Ansible. So one is app server 1, one is app server 2. So Ansible, in the Ansible, what you guys can do? So connect to the server. Connect to this server. How I connect? I can connect with the public key, guys. Yeah, you see, guys. So I want to connect the server by using EC2 instance connect. This is a web connect, SSH connect. You see, guys. You see, guys. So open your SSH client, locate our private key file. The key is used to launch the instance in the Ratna's underscore key.pem. So run this command and run this command. So run this
Very
command.
speedy, they doing very good test
Yeah.
also, right?
Yes, yes. You see, guys, SSH-I Ratna's PEM key, EC2 user and the public IP address. EC2 user and public IP address. I will connect this server through git bash. Guys, see. So because of a git bash is nothing but a bash prompt, right? So where it's downloaded, the downloaded file, where downloads Ratna. This is the one. Copy, keep it in the I want to keep it in the Linux material. Paste. What this is, guys? This is the path. CD paste. Oh, pwd hp, right? CD desktop ls.
No, we have to close the parenthesis
Close the
quotation.
parenthesis.
CD double, because there is space, right? Linux space material. So double quote starting and end. CD double quote. No, no,
CD
no,
double
no.
quote.
Okay. Remove this one. Go to
I'm
CD.
trying, but
I think
okay. I will
just click
use.
enter. CD. Don't copy. CD.
This is the one, right?
mm,
This is the one.
CD space double quote and copy paste, and at the end double quote. Enter.
Very good. I don't know actually Windows.
So
Yeah.
space is not allowed in this type of command. The folder name
Yes.
should not have a space.
Space, right? So
Mm.
Ratna PEM key. So we have a Ratna's PEM key, right? Dot ppk, right? It's a
Mm.
ppk, right? I think it will not connect. So we need a ssh-i. Uh, mm,
There is double quote again.
I think double quotes, but it will not work because of I already told you, right?
Mm.
So the ppk file is what this
Oh,
is, guys. Okay, I
it's
will
I
show you
think
guys.
copy
Leave it,
paste
leave it, leave
notepad.
it, leave it. Yeah, so it will be panic, guys. No worries. I will tell you. Now you understood, right? This is the example. Uh, this is the private
యాక్చువల్గా
key.
అది పక్కన డబుల్ నేను కాపీ అక్కడ కాపీ చేస్తే మీకు
అవును,
ఇది మొత్తం
అవును,
కమెంట్
అవును,
కాపీ అవుతుంది.
అవును. Yes, yes, yes. So, but it will not work because of that is a ppk file, right?
పీపీకే పబ్లిక్
So
రిలేషన్.
ssh. So Ratna's ppk file identity warning. Hey, yes, sir. Yeah, you see. So permission denied because of a public key. The authentication is a PEM key. Okay, guys. PEM key, right? That is not a PEM key, right? What this is? This is a
సార్ నాకు
PPK.
ఇలాగే వచ్చింది సార్.
నీకు ఇలానే వచ్చిందా?
అండ్ సన్నీ సార్
సన్నీయా?
ఇలాగే
సన్నీ,
వచ్చింది. అవతల
I will
యూజర్
tell.
యొక్క పాస్వర్డ్తో అయితే లాగిన్ అవుతుంది సార్, యాక్సెస్ అవుతుంది.
Hmm,
వితౌట్ పాస్వర్డ్ అర్థం కాలేదు ఎలా చేయాలి మళ్ళీ.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Okay. So, so this is the Ansible server, right? So once you connect to the Ansible server by using the public address through the putty, okay. So this is the public IP address of the server and the auth credentials, private key, Ratna, open, accept, EC2 user, EC2 user, sudo su guys. Okay. So I want to change the settings, appearance, change settings, bold, 18. Okay. Apply. Guys, understood? So this is the one server. I will tell you then later. So in this server, you guys create a SSH key pair, SSH keygen, SSH hyphen keygen. What is the command, guys? SSH hyphen keygen. So generate in the public private RSA key pair. So right, guys, which is RSA key pair. So RSA key pair. You see, guys. So what is the key pair? They are creating the RSA key pair. If you can use the pair securely connect to this server, it created a key pair RSA. So Ratna, what is the type of key?
టైప్ ఈస్ ఆర్ఎస్ఏ.
RSA. Okay. So type is RSA. So enter the file in which saved. So by default where it is saved, /root dot ssh id underscore RSA. Okay, underscore RSA. Sunny and Pawan. So I already told you, right? The sub. So just press enter, enter, enter. So that key files are created. That key files are created. So where is the location? What is the location? The location is cd underscore root dot ssh. Guys, understood? So what are the files created? The files created id underscore rsa, id underscore pub. This is the public key and this is the private key. Guys, this is a private, this is a public key. So 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 whatever the public key, right? So this public key, so we can create a authorized keys in the target servers and you can paste the you can paste this ID, public key ID. Okay, so I will show you guys because of cat, it's already created, right? Yeah, you see, it's already added because of this already created EC2 instance, right? Okay, don't guys, don't panic. So you guys can check it. These are the private key. This is the public key. So if you want to create a passwordless authentication, so copy the public key and paste it in the authorized keys. Paste it in the authorized keys. Guys, understood? Here public key. Here cat underscore ID underscore RSA dot pub dot pub key. Here where you need to copy, we need to copy it in the authorized keys. So this publicly will copy into authorized keys. Guys, understood now?
So that means first we connected Ansible server and we generate the SSH gen
We
key, right?
generate the SSH key gen.
From this instance, Ansible server.
Ansible server.
Okay.
So Ansible server. So you see here only which server I connected. This is the Ansible server. For example, 88. So what is the 88 server? 88 server is, what is the server? So this is the 88 server. So this is the Ansible server. Okay. So I connected the Ansible server and I ran the SSH RSA. Sorry, what is that? SSH hyphen keygen command. The same like also, the same like as, so the same like as you can create the RSA key, or else let's connect to the server. Sorry, instances. So this is the public. I want to use this IP address, SSH, auth, credentials, Ratna key, open, accept, EC2 hyphen user. EC2 hyphen user. So change settings, appearance, change, bold 18. Okay, apply. And I will connect the other server also. Duplicate session, new session. So 1 second guys. App server 2. I'm connecting to the app server 2 also. So these are the target servers, newly built servers. I want to configure the application. I want to install the Java, Apache, Tomcat. Okay guys, what is the default username? EC2 hyphen user. EC2 hyphen user. Then change settings, appearance, change, bold 18. Okay, apply. Case understood? So 193 one server, 17 is another server. This is the one server and this is the one server and the other server. So this is the server guys. Cat which file guys? RSA dot pub. Yes, this is the file. Let's check sudo su hyphen. Let's check cd. So you are under the which directory /root. ls hyphen. How to check the hidden files guys? ls hyphen lsa. So already created dot ssh. Go to the dot ssh. Authorized keys also there. So vi, you can copy this file guys. So you can copy from here. Okay. So if you select it, automatically copy guys. So authorization keys, So go to end, insert, next, paste the key.
Okay.
So end button and home button. You can check the home button, guys. There is a home button in the keyboard, right? Where it is? It is home button. You check. So the cursor is directly go from end to starting position. If you use end button, yeah. So it pasted correctly. Okay. Then you can save the file. Save the file. So you can try to now you can try to connect. So now you can try to connect this via private key, guys. Which key? Via private key. So from the Ansible server, which server you created on the 57? So 57. So this is 193. So this is 57. Yeah, second server from Ansible server. So app server 1. So app server 1 192.57. Yeah, this is the file. Let's try to connect this server. Let's try to connect this server. So what is the IP address of the private IP? 57, right? SSH hyphen P, port number 22, root at the rate. What is the IP address, guys? 172.31.17.57. Yes. Yeah, guys. So from 88 to I connected to 57. From 88 to I connected to 57. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
It
So
says
what is the command?
authentication of host cannot be established until.
Yeah, first time we need to provide the just yes, sir. So later it will not ask. So you can use the exit command to exit from the server. So which server now? I connected to SSH.
88.
Yeah. Now let's again execute this command. It will ask
No, no, sir.
Not
so
asking.
it is not asking the password. Guys, understood? So this is the passwordless authentication between the two servers. Okay. So I will create it from the other server. I'm exit from this is the 57, right? So
Yes.
yeah, so this is the 88. I'm exiting from this server. Now this is the Ansible server. So this is the app server one.
App server 1.
This is the app server two. So now I am logging to I think this is a duplicate session, guys. I need to stop this one because of every 5 minutes it will EC2 iPhone user. Okay, guys. So here, sudo su means super user do switch user. So we are switching to the root user. So cd. So here also ls hyphen la. So .ssh file is there. .ssh. Go to the .ssh. There is authorization keys. Authorization keys. So you need to copy the. So shift G, guys. You can execute the command shift G. It automatically. Yeah. No worries, guys. So yeah. So you can copy the key, right? So what is the key? The key is SSH. So this is the key, right, guys? No, I need to execute the command again. Cat id underscore rsa dot pub.
Pub.
Yeah. So guys, so while copying that content, right? Be careful. Okay. Yeah. So you can check end home. So this is the
Home.
end button, home button, end button, home button, end button, home button. Okay. So it's working fine. Now let's try to 193, right? 172.182.193. Yep. Go to this. Oh, You need to set the dot, guys. Dot, dot, dot. Let's try failed, verification failed. Yeah, first time it will give the S, guys. Okay. Yes, it connected from 88 to 193. Again, you can use the exit command. It's closed. Right now, let's try again. It is asking the password,
No, sir.
guys.
No, it's not
No,
asking the
right?
password.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, shit. Duplicate session. So I will close this one. EC2 iPhone user top. Yeah, guys. So I provided the authentication between target server to exit. Exit. What this is? So this is the 193 server. This is the 57 server. So what is the 57? So this is a 88, right? Let's connect again, guys. New session. Appearance. So directly we can select the appearance change. Bold 18. Okay. Path credentials. Ratna. Open. Is it to iPhone user? Guys, understood? Sudo su iPhone. Now let's create the. So first you need to install the Ansible. What is the command to install the Ansible? Install Ansible. Amazon package, core package. No package is available. 1 second, guys. There is other command we need to execute. I will ping you that command. AWS 20. Not
We are in Linux 2 server, I think.
hmm?
Amazon to Linux, right?
Yes. Ansible 2. Ansible 2, guys. So sudo Amazon Linux hyphen extras. So instead of you can use the Amazon Linux extras. Install Ansible 2 hyphen y. So while installing the Ansible, right, it will automatically install the Python, guys. It automatically install the Python. Please remember, this is the interview question, guys.
Okay, sir.
Is it installed? I'm installed. Okay. Now Ansible, Ansible hyphen version. So what is the version, guys? Ansible 2.9.23. So what is the Ansible, guys? So this is the configuration file. So this is the configuration file and cd slash etc Ansible. No worries, guys. I will tell you. So Ansible localhost localhost -m ping, guys. So Ansible localhost -m ping. Yes, it's success, right? It's success. Yeah, now, so we need to create the, guys, now we need to create the yes, guys, we need to create the, so we need to install the Ansible, then you need to create the playbook, right, guys? Guys, we need to write the playbook or not, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we need to write the playbook. So how you can write? You can write the playbook via vi. So which is the playbook, guys? httpd httpd dot, what is the format, guys? YAML. httpd dot YAML, right, guys? So insert. So yeah. So how you can write the playbook? Something like 3 hyphens is the format, guys. So then, so hyphen name. This is a comment, guys. Hyphen name. What is the name, guys? Playbook. What is that, guys? Playbook is the name. So playbook is the name. Host. So which host you need to you need to execute, guide. For example, app servers, right? We will create the web servers. Web servers is the host group. I will tell you that. So next, so become equal to, so become, yes. So who is the become, guys? Become user. So who will execute, guys, this commands? This commands will executed by the which user? Root user. Yes. So it executed by the which user, guys? Root user. Okay. Next, next, guys, tasks. This is a play. Play contains the, guys, play
Task.
contains tasks. So right, play contains tasks. So what are the tasks? The task one is name. So the task name is,
Module 1.
for example, ensure Apache is 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 the latest version. This will not work, guys. So this will not work. The name command will not work, guys. It's a comment. It's like a comment. Next, right, name equal to, what is the name, guys? Name equal to module. So tasks calls a module, right, guys? Module. So what is the module, guys? M is the module. M module. So you want to install the software. You want to install the software. How you are installing the software? You are installing the software through M, right? So what is the module, guys? M module. So name. So what is the name of the module? HTTPD. What is the name of the module, guys? HTTPD. You install in the Windows, right? You install in the VC2 instance, right? M install HTTPD, right? The same way, install the M and state. State means, so we need to install the latest one or a present one. So we can set the latest one, right? So this is the one module. So this is the one module. The other module is, the other module is, yeah, I need to give the space, guys. Space M. We need to give a single space. Module single space, guys. Name, right? Name we call it as a uh, name. So what is the name here? So what we need to install? Ensure, ensure Apache is running. So what is the first one, guys? So first is, so we need this one, right, guys? Yep. I will give it to you, copy it to you guys. 21. Yeah, this is, so new, guys, new. Yeah. So in the DC environment, so you launched the instance, or in the EC2 instance also. So you want to install the Apache and start the Apache. What is the commands, guys? M install Apache means HTTPD, right? Once you install the Apache, you need the start the service system CTL start HTTPD, right? For this purpose, we use the module called as a M module. Here we call it as a, which module, guys? Service module. What is the module, guys? Service module. In the M module, we need to name. So what is the name of the something like Java or Apache or Git or, so whatever it may be, M install, right? M install package name. So name, package name. So package is HTTPD. So state means present or latest, which version you want to install, latest. So service also, it's a module. So name, state. So what is the state here, guys? What is the name? So service name HTTPD, state equal to start. State equal to start. Here state equal to start. Here state equal to latest. Here state equal to latest. Guys, understood? So we are calling it this is nothing but a, so these are the modules. Guys, understood? So this is the one module and this is the another module. Modules will be created under the tasks.
Yeah.
So task will call playbook. Place or playbooks or a place. So for example, this is one play. So other play. So for example, so here, so this is also, I have a other place. You can create number of plays, guys. You can create number of plays. So this is one playbook. This is a one a playbook. Guys, understood? This is a one playbook. .ml. Guys, understood? Yeah. So now I am creating the a playbook. So name is Apache is running. So what is that, guys? Module equal to service, right? Module is a service module. Name, right? Name. What is the service name of HTTPD Apache? So what is the state? State equal to running, stop, start. So what is a start, right? So this is the, so this is a playbook, guys. Guys, understood?
Yes, yes.
Guys, understood?
So it will be full playbook.
Sorry?
One is the whole. Yeah, understand. This is playbook.
This is a
So we
playbook.
get two tasks.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have only one task. So one
Okay.
task contains having the modules, two
Module.
modules.
Two module.
Guys, understood? Guys, understood or not?
Sir, first module state
Hmm.
latest spelling.
Latest. Okay. Latest. The second model is started. So we need to give start instead of started. What is the state? Started. The the name is HTTPD. State latest. The name is HTTPD. So this is the a play. So this is a play. Guys, understood? So Apache install.yaml. What is the file name, guys? Yeah, this is the A playbook. What is a playbook? So httpd.aml. httpd.aml. So play. This is the play, right? This contains a play. Play contains a task. Task having two modules.
Module.
Task having two
Two module.
modules. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So you understood, right? So yesterday we already told you, right, guys? What is the inventory file, guys? So inventory file.
IP address.
No, no, inventory file. So what is the inventory file, guys? Yeah. So 1 second.
Right.
Done na? 3 minutes, na? Shit. Yeah. So what this is, guys? The first is nothing but a name of the playbook. Okay. So the second is the web server host group name. So these 3 and 4 are become user root. These 3 and 3 are sudo run as a different user settings. 3 is this sudo or run as a root user. 4 is nothing but a task. This is the tasks, guys. Task having two modules. Task having two modules. Guys, understood? So name of the playbook, host, a set of hosts usually grouped together, a host group will be identified. So I will tell you guys, I will tell you that thing. So what is the default path of the inventory, guys? So inventory default path is /etc. Yesterday I already told you, right, guys? Guys, please watch the recordings, guys. /etc Ansible host. The file is /etc Ansible hosts. Why? Why it is not showing? Ah, shit, guys. Okay, no worries. So what is the default path, guys? /etc Ansible host. So this is the default inventory file. So this is the default inventory file. So vi/etc Ansible host. You see, guys. So here you see web servers are commented. Web servers are commented, right? This is the host group. In the web servers commented, right? You need to provide the IP address of the server. So IP address, what are the IP address of the servers, guys? Guys, tell me the IP address
App
of the
server
servers.
192.
App
App
server
server
1.
1. Yeah, sorry, 172.
So this is the 172 dot. Yes. Next, what is this app server 2? This is the app server 2. Right, guys? 8 o'clock. Done, guys. Let's play this one. Yeah, Ansible. Before that, guys, top, I will give to top this because of, yeah. So this is the server, right? So sudo su hyphen, yes, guys. RPM hyphen QA HTTPD. HTTPD is installed? No. Systemctl status HTTPD. No, right? So not installed. So this one. So RPM hyphen QA HTTPD not installed. Systemctl status HTTPD. service is not found. Okay. Yeah. So here, so what is the command, guys? Yesterday I told you, right? Ansible hyphen. What is this? 183, huh? 183.
193 server, so where this is app server 2.
App server 2, right? Top. Where we installed, guys?
So that is 88. Ansible server is 88 server.
Yes, yes, yes. LS. So here we created, right? So cat /etc Ansible host. Yeah, we defined on this Ansible host. Okay, now good. So let's run the Ansible hyphen playbook, and so the inventory file is different location. We need to provide the inventory file location, but the inventory is defined in the, guys, inventory is defined in the default path, right? We don't need to add, we don't need to mention. So Ansible playbook, so the playbook name, you see, guys, gathering products, it is able to connect the servers. So able to connect the server, changed, ensure Apache is the latest version, ensure Apache is running. So change it to both the servers. Okay, so these two servers, okay, changed, unreachable, failed. So nothing to be failed. So everything will be looks. First we need to connect to the servers. Okay. So then, so first we need to install the Apache on the both the servers. Yes, we install the Apache. Then ensure so Apache is running on both the servers. Okay, so here everything looks good. So this is the playbook run. Let's check it on the, so Control C, RPM hyphen QA HTTPD. Yes, HTTPD is installed. Systemctl status HTTPD. Yes, HTTPD is running. Guys, did you install this? Did you install the manually or automation?
Automatic.
Automation. Guys, understood? So if you want to install the 100 servers, how can you do it? So you can create the passwordless authentication, and you can run the playbook on Ansible server. It automatically install it on the 100 servers. Okay. RPM hyphen QA. So what is that, guys? HTTPD. Yes, HTTPD installed. Systemctl status HTTPD. So HTTPD is running. Guys, understood? The both the servers, so automatically install the HTTPD and running the HTTPD. So what is the playbook, guys? Playbook contains cat httpdm.yaml. You see, play contains ensure Apache is the latest version. Ensure Apache is the latest version. What is that? A task. So this is the task. So what is the task? These two are the tasks. Tasks contains the modules. Modules will work on to install the packages. So for example, installation service start. We need to copy the file. So we need to rename the file. We need to copy from some location to another location. So whatever wise we can do. So via this, guys. We can do via this. Okay, so we'll continue from tomorrow, guys. I need to connect to the another call. Okay,
Okay.
guys, understood? Guys, understood? So if you done the that what is that? That authentication, password authentication. So we will work on other things also. Guys, please practice, guys. Practice. Okay, we'll continue from tomorrow, guys.